Lovely, incisive pass. Looks the goalkeeper in the eye. Opportunity now. Corner. Goetze plays it in.
And the goalkeeper has done well to stop that one.
Little headed pass then, and a shrewd one. Comes in strongly. Pogba. Here's Ali.
Alexis Sanchez.
Pogba. Back with Sanchez. And the aim of the cross is towards Dybala. So close, with that good delivery. Well, a millimetre away. Mario Götze. Promising build-up. Until that challenge. Wijnaldum. Werner. Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. Stopping the cross, important job for the defender. Excellent interception. No need to stop the...
They'll get a free kick for that.
There's some potential in this move. Great work by the goalkeeper. The ball is his and he's made sure he's protected it. It's Jesse Lingard. Here's Ali. Wijnaldum. Dele Alli. Cuadrado. Now here's a great ball. Wonderful chance! And we've got a goal. That's the first one, and I think there'll be a few more to come. It is certainly the kind of match that we thought we were coming here to see, with the better team playing the better football.
Yeah, and they've handled that expectation, haven't they, in terms of being strong favourites, so fair play to them for that. And that has opened the scoring, 1-0 here. Now Lingard. Alexis Sanchez. On the attack here. In towards Roberto Firmino. Roberto Firmino.
Well, he's read that, hasn't he, and made the interception, made it look easy actually.
Cuadrado. It's looking good, this move.
Nasri.
Nasri.
They gave it straight to him, didn't they?
Wijnaldum. Cuadrado. That's good movement forward here. Cuadrado with a good cross. Two in front now.
Well, keep the concentration, and they've won this match, I think.
Very good build-up, Alan. Very good goal.
Well, he could hardly miss that. From the right wing, that was a perfect delivery.
And they got their reward for it. Well, once he got his foot to it, Alan, it was always going to be a goal from that kind of cross.
Yeah, he really did get a good connection with it, didn't he? And keeper no chance.
It's Jesse Lingard. Alexis Sanchez. Only partially cleared, so there's still some problems for them. Cuadrado. Wijnaldum. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. In with a chance. The shot's on. He wasn't fazed by facing a player who's already got the better of him in this game.
Well, he's got his defenders out of jail there because they allowed the striker to...
Tried his luck.
He's reached it and turned it aside.
It'll be a corner. Goetze plays it in. Cleared away by the defender.
The referee has indicated
Well, the signal's gone up for 2 minutes.
Of 2 minutes of added time.
Cuadrado. Alexis Sanchez. Comes in strongly.
And the referee is blocked.
Substitution for the visitors. Coming off the pitch.
The referee has blown, and the second half is now in progress.
That's great defending there, stopping that attack. Werner. Coming on strong and looking to play their way through now. Good cross by Juan Cuadrado. He's got his shot off now. He's put it over.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the contact, the power, but accuracy just off.
Turnover there that we didn't expect. It's a quick break. He's in. Oh, with just the keeper to beat. He went for power, but he's missed the target.
Yeah, just decided to put his foot through it when maybe a bit of subtlety had served him better.
Well, they're not playing very much like a team. Don't seem to be helping each other as much as the great sides do.
Well, they were completely losing their discipline and togetherness out there. Captain's got a job on his hands to try and bring it all back together.
Wijnaldum! And that's when you need a defender to show his class, and he's done just that.
Nasri.
Shots on here. Cuadrado! That's in there.
He took the low road here, the low route, and it was the right route to get this goal.
Well, if you look back through the archives, you'll see that this player has scored quite a few from these kind of distances, and it is a knack.
One team really on their game today, the other very off colour. Pagliarella. Could be dangerous. Well, that's gone back to the goalkeeper. Lars Bender. Mario Goetze. Wijnaldum. Good position. They've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now. Dele Alli. Roberto Firmino. He might be through. Oh, he's given offside.
Yeah, he's playing on the shoulder, but just needs to hold his run a touch.
And the manager's decided for a change of personnel.
Number 16, Wijnaldum.
Trying to get it wide, and it was a good idea, but he couldn't find his supporting player. Roberto Firmino. Dybala. In towards Quagliarella, and they get it away. Dele Alli. The shot's on! Great work by the goalkeeper. The ball is his, and he's made sure he's protected it. Bender. Guided through. They've got numbers in this attack. and it looks dangerous. Robert Snodgrass. He's very confident with the ball at his feet. It's a good cross. And the goalkeeper, it's his ball. Danny Latza. I like the look of this attack. Lukaku. Danny Latza. Strong challenge. Wijnaldum. Some options now for the pass. Well, he's read that, hasn't he, and made the interception. Made it look easy, actually. Just looking at the tactics of this match, maybe this substitution will hold the key. It's gone out for a throw. Here's Sami Nasri. Werner. Wijnaldum! He's reached it and turned it aside. Now this looks promising. Lars Bender. Now Nasri. Crisp defending there. Here's Ali. Werner. Lars Bender. Jorginho Wijnaldum. Now Cuadrado. Now he's lost the ball. Here's Ali. Chance to go at the opposition with pace. Plenty of width for the team to attack into. Good challenge. Cleared away by the defender. Danny Latza. Wijnaldum. Good football between these two. Nice passing. Nkulu. Roberto Firmino. Room now out on the wing. Good defensive clearance there. Werner. Wijnaldum. And here they are on the attack. Shots on! They have got a goal, and we should give them a pat on the back for that, because some teams would have packed it in at this stage. Well, there's a goal that's perhaps not gone according to the script here. They just picked their moment to get forward after a lot of defending.
Yeah, and they can thank the defenders for that, but when they did get the ball, they moved it forward really quickly. They were ruthless there.
Substitution.
And they're going to make this change now. Oh, he's done well. He's got his goal from midfield.
Yeah, he's had a good, solid game. And passed the ball well. And got that goal, as you say. Well done.
Now here's a chance to get at the opposition.
Number 10, Roberto Firmino.
Looking for teammates in the middle. Only partially away from danger. Corner. Corner played into the middle. Oh, that's good defending.
The official has indicated there will be a minimum of 3 minutes.
Danny Latza. Dybala. Good forward play from them. And here's the shot. It comes out off the goalkeeper. And it's come to an end now as the referee...